Shamanic Breathwork is a powerful tool that will help you to heal and awake. Welcome to this video today. My name is Sandralozanomahadevi and I'm gonna guide you today through an intro to what Shamanic Breathwork is. The Shamanic Breathwork session can be done individually or in a group session. Breathing is used therapeutically, and by breaking some patterns on breathing, we can open our mind and our conscious. We could get to different states of consciousness. Shamanic breath is done on a deep mode, profound, with your mouth open and on a purposely way. The innate wisdom in your body and your mind will heal and release all the traumas that are stagnant in your system. It will naturally set down your parasympathetic nervous system, bringing you a sense of rest and relaxation. The breathing technique can easily be added to your daily routine, improving your relationship with yourself and with the others. Breathing is a vital human function. We all do it. It is the first thing that we do when we are born, and it will be the last thing we do when we leave this body. Without breathing, a human being cannot survive more than 3-4 minutes. You can still be without food, even water, not sleeping, but we cannot survive without breathing. By modifying the rhythm of breathing, your mind can also get to an altered state of mind and consciousness, getting to unknown places or even forgotten places. So all of this will get released during a breathing session. If you already practice a meditation technique, you will find that this practice can get you on a deeper state. If you still don't practice any meditation practice technique, this will give you a glimpse over this, the meditation state. It will give you the opportunity to connect with the benefits of a deep meditation. We are not here by accident. We are on this earth planet with a purpose. Each of us has within a shaman that knows the way to heal, to awake our wisdom, that knows what we need in each moment, on this moment in your life. It is time to connect with your inner shaman. It is time to release forgotten part of yourself. It is time to connect with your inner healer and start walking with empowerment, with strength, with wisdom, with confidence. This inner space that you will reach during a breathing session will connect you with your wisdom, with your shaman inside, with that part of you that has all the solutions, all the answers that you need at this very moment in your life. The answers that cannot be found anywhere else but inside of you. When we are truly awake, our actions begin to get through us from our purpose in life and not from our ego. These breathing sessions has been for many people the experience of their lives. So I invite you to join us on the next breathing session to have your own experience. Thank you very much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed. If so, please click like and subscribe to our platform. I will be happy to know how was the experience for you. Thank you very much and see you next time.